Are you new to DBT and want to learn the ropes? You're in the right place. This comprehensive guide is designed to help beginners understand and utilize DBT effectively. Let's dive in. DBT, or Data Build Tool, is a powerful command line tool that enables data analysts and engineers to transform data in their data warehouses. DBT allows you to write SQL-based transformations that make your data models more maintainable and efficient. It streamlines the data transformation workflow significantly. DBT's core functionality revolves around writing SQL queries to define data transformations, managing code versions, and running tests to ensure data quality. Before you start using DBT, you need to set up your environment and configurations. This involves installing DBT and configuring profiles. First, install DBT using pip. Then, configure your DBT profiles with your data warehouse credentials. Connecting DBT to your data warehouse is crucial. Configure the profile to point to your specific database, schema, and authentication details. Let's get started by creating your first DBT project. This will set up the basic structure and files needed for your DBT work. Use the dbt init command to initialize a new DBT project. This will create a project directory with the necessary files and folders. A DBT project includes directories for models, tests, documentation, and configurations. Understanding this structure is key to managing your work. DBT models are SQL select statements that transform your data. You write these models in SQL files within the models directory. DBT models are essentially equal queries. You create views or tables by selecting and transforming data from existing sources. Jinja templating allows you to add dynamic logic and reuse code snippets in your models. This makes your SQL more flexible and maintainable. Testing is crucial in DBT. You write tests to ensure the quality and accuracy of your transformed data. This helps catch errors early. DBT supports various tests, like not null, unique, and custom SQL tests. These ensure your data meets defined criteria and maintains integrity. Run tests using DBT test command. Validate the results to ensure your data models pass all tests and are error-free. Documenting your DBT project is essential for collaboration and future maintenance. Clear documentation helps others understand your models and transformations. DBT can automatically generate documentation based on your model definitions and descriptions. Use DBT Docs Generate to create it. Good documentation makes it easier to onboard new team members and understand existing data pipelines. It saves time and reduces errors in the long run. DBT runs are commands that execute your models and tests in a specific order. Understanding these runs is crucial for managing your workflows. Common DBT commands include DBT run, DBT test, DBT build. These execute different aspects of your data transformation and testing process. You can orchestrate DBT runs using schedulers like Airflow or cloud-based solutions. This automates your data pipelines and ensures they run reliably. You've now covered the basics of DBT. There's much more to explore, but this foundation will help you get started with your data transformations. We've discussed DBT installation, project setup, model creation, testing, documentation, and running DBT jobs. These fundamentals are crucial for effective DBT usage. For further learning, check out DBT's official documentation, online tutorials, and community forums. They offer valuable resources and support. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this.